Now we need to set up and check the connection of the RTK base station prior to going to the field. When bench testing the connection between the radio, drone, and base, it is not required to have the base mounted at the tripod. If you are testing for connection to GNSS, then you must have all the equipment outside and with a clear view of the sky. Turn on the radio, aircraft, and the base station. In the flight application, click on the menu button and navigate to the RTK Options tab. Make sure that the aircraft RTK positioning slider is turned on. Then in the RTK service type drop-down menu, select DRTK2 Mobile Base Station. If the station is not linked to your aircraft, scroll to the bottom of the menu and select Linking. You will be prompted to press the Bind button on the base station. During the process of binding the base station, the remote will need to be relinked to the aircraft. A pop-up window will ask to relink the aircraft to your remote. Select Link with Aircraft. Then press the linking button on the side of the aircraft. Once the remote is bound to the aircraft, you should see the Bind button on the base station turn green and a confirmation in the menu that the base station is connected. Additionally, if you have everything set up outside, you will have latitude and longitude coordinates of both the base station and the aircraft.
The clip you just watched is an excerpt from one of our full-length trainings available on the RMUS Crew Education portal. To get full access to this course and many others, follow the link in the description.